So this kid who's 18 years old, and I know this because the police ended up making contact with this kid driving on the wrong side of the road in my neighborhood. Regardless, though, wherever you're at, dude, don't be doing stuff like that. Anyways, I'm driving home, coming back from the grocery store. It's late. It was probably like midnight, and I'm just cruising through an intersection, and there's 2 lanes in either direction, right? I'm here, and there's a car to my right. So we have like this direction kind of held up, right? We're both doing the speed limit. We're not impeding traffic by any means, but I see a car coming up from behind me, a Mustang convertible, just ripping, dude. Like, and I mean just flying up from behind me, showing no signs of slowing down. So what's he gonna do? I'm just ready for whatever's about to happen. And I had like 2-second warning, right? So I'm like, then he drove around me and went on the wrong side of the road. Bro, what? There's a few things that get under my skin, but people driving like absolute crap like that and just totally disregarding everyone's safety, even their own, drives me insane. Where am I right now? I wasn't paying attention where I was going. I don't know what's going on. There could be anything that's going on right now. It could be him running from someone he just robbed, you know, running from a crime he just committed, or just recklessly driving, street racing, whatever. Either one of those things I don't support one bit, obviously, right? It's not even street racing or anything like that. I think it's all dumb. I catch up to him at like the next stop sign, which is a block and a half down, and I grab his plate number. Now at this point, he's driving pretty much normal, like totally chill. So I'm behind him still, and just so happened to the next block down, a black and white came around the corner and is now going with us in traffic. So I pull up to the officer in his car, and I let him know. I said, hey, look, the car in front of me just went on the opposite side of the street there. I don't know if he's drinking or if he just is just choosing to drive recklessly or what the situation is, but go ahead and light him up. I have dash cam footage here to show you. So he ended up doing that. He pulled him over, made contact with him for like maybe 5 seconds. I parked around the corner, not 5 seconds literally, but probably like maybe 20, 30 seconds. And the kid drove off. And I'm just like, so he got lucky for sure on that one, given the circumstance of me having video footage of him driving on the wrong side of the road.
I appreciate you calling. He was stone cold sober. He was an 18-year-old, just got his license.
Oh, okay.
And he said, I didn't realize I was on the wrong side of the road.
The kid said he didn't realize he was on the wrong side of the road. Now, I strongly disagree with that right there, which I let the officer know as well. And the officer basically told me, he's like, well, there's not much we can do about it, so it is what it is. So I'm like, okay, well, anyways, there's a time and a place for activities like that, and on public roads that we share with people that we love is not one of them. You know, it's not fair to the innocent drivers, whatever damage you could and may cause, or even hurting yourself. You know, it's just, I don't respect it one bit. It really upsets me knowing that, like, especially in my neighborhood, how many people walk around there, walking their dogs, walking their kids. Like, it's just crazy. And this kid's 18 years old, and you know, that's no excuse, but I get it, I guess, more so than not, because when you're like 18 years old, you do some pretty dumber things than you would if you were a bit older and wiser and more matured. I've done some pretty crazy things too when I was younger, for sure. Still got to be some sort of common sense there, and you shouldn't be driving on the wrong side of the road with a blind curve coming up and it's dark and you're doing probably double the speed limit. To me is just insane. Even when I was younger, I would have never done that. But anyways, I'm on my way down to the mall right now to grab some stuff for my trip coming up tomorrow. Heading down to Monterey for a couple of days for a little vacation. So if you guys want to see a little travel vlog, then let me know. RSM Toyota's event was really fun too. If you guys are in the area next time they host something, come through. They're pretty fun. There's another event going down at the Irvine dealership. The Toyota dealership is coming up pretty soon too, and that should be pretty lit. And then also Rigs and Reggae. So I'll have the events right here for you guys. If you guys in the area, pull up, check it out. When it's Sunday and you realize everything closes early. I was trying to find some shoes for my trip to Monterey because I can guarantee I'm doing a ton of walking up there. So I went down to Tilly's and didn't find anything I liked. Went down to the Costco gas station. That line was non-existent. and that was great. Got her fueled up, ready for the road trip from Orange County to Monterey tomorrow. Almost 6-hour drive, and we are ready, taking the Tundra for its first road trip, along with the camper shell as well. So we'll find some spots to pull up and kick it and take some photos and stuff like that. So anyways, I'll be there for the majority of the week. I'll probably film a little travel vlog for you guys, whether you like it or not. Still filming it. So anyways, that's all I have for you guys today, though. As always, hope you guys enjoyed. That mud splat's looking right, though. So sick. I was trying to like do something before I removed the blue wrap, and this was kind of like my way of having fun with it, and before I unwrapped it. But now I kind of like it a lot. So I don't know, I might stick with the blue wrap for a minute. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys today, though. As always, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Till then, peace out.